Okay, it's 12 degrees right now. I love this shit. 12 degrees Celsius. Seems nice, I guess. Seems nice. Okay. Right, I forgot that like it's this one first right here. Okay, this is nice. Say spot behind. Say spot behind. Okay, why does he have to like teleport to the center during that time? That's rip like my rate missile right there. What is that in NA? What do you mean? 12 degrees divided by 5 to 9, 18, 32. Around like 50 degrees. 50 Fahrenheit, I guess. Give or take. Give or take, give or take. Yeah. Is there any meaningful Reaper buff changes with this balance patch? I mean, damage increase. But that's it, I guess. So it's a damage increase. Okay. No counter top right. Sounds really better in Gate 1. Gate 1 like just has a lot of cheap damage. So like if you don't have shield right, it's annoying. Because you just take damage like the whole time. Cheap damage is annoying. So yep, that's why I was playing like Legacy on like Gate 1 earlier. It was just annoying. Okay, are we good? Okay, we should be fine here. Should be fine, yeah. So smart. I mean, it's just like divided by 3 times, divided by 5 times 9, and then like plus 32. So yeah. Oh my god, stupid pull in actually. He rarely does that. Okay, Grade 1 looks annoying AF, man. Okay, that's because it is, yeah. It doesn't look annoying, it is annoying. Okay, it is annoying as shit. Okay, just a lot of like random AoE like cheap damage, to be honest. That's the annoying part of it. Okay, random AoE cheap damage. Okay, just annoying shit. Okay, holy stack, holy stack. Get another stack again. Energy buster, dude. Buster. Damn it. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Purify rune. Purify rune can help, but I mean like it doesn't matter if you purify and then like the next second you get the chip damage already anyway. So yeah. Okay, you can use purify rune, but I don't use it normally because like it wastes like a rune slot, so I don't use it. We get a dead person. That's rip, I guess. That's the dribbler as well. Okay, thanks for all the answers. Yeah, no problem, man. Okay, we have a dead person right here. That's person. Yeah. Nice counter. Okay, what does green and red ghost do? Green and red ghost. Red ghost like will chase the skull. If you don't hit, if you don't like yeah, red ghost will chase the skull, basically. And like if the red ghost goes to the red ghoul goes to the skull, it will basically wipe the party. So you have to dribble it. The green ones travel outside and like what was it like? It will fear anyone that comes close. So just don't come close to like the green ones basically. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. You change all your scatter build to 80? No. Okay, I've always had both build, man. Always had both build. Okay, I mean I was literally running like Legacy on Gate 1 because like Gate 1 is annoying as an AT, so yeah. Shit. Okay. But yeah, that's the red goal right here. They're chasing like the skull. The skull is up over there. So yeah, you have to keep dribbling it. In the meantime, there is counters all around, so you have to make sure you counter it. Split the party as necessary, I guess. No counter top right. Yeah, but the green ones, if you go too close to him, like it will basically like it will fear you. Okay, the fear is not the issue. The problem is like you walk to the wrong spot. If you walk to like this area, you die. That's the issue with the fear. So don't come close to it. Okay, let's see. So far so good, so far so good. Nice, counter again. And down. Okay, let's see. Any defense damage on AT's counter update? I mean, like, it's a game, yeah. Okay, both AT and Legacy got buff. Both of them. So, yeah, both. So, obviously, there's difference, yeah. Just like they're both buff. Okay, higher damage. Okay, energy buster, dude. Buster. Okay, he's dead. Okay, there we go. Alright, final mechanic with 7 men here. Final mechanic. I can't use avalanche for destruction because like that's my counter skill. Do we have Tyrene? I didn't see if we had Tyrene or not. Did not see. Okay, no, we got no Tyrene right here. Okay, no counter yet right here. Not on my side. Damn it, dude. The first one, 12 o'clock, fucks it up already, dude. Okay, literally the first counter. Second counter, bro. There is nobody on 12 o'clock, dude, I swear. Okay, we failed to counter already. I swear. Okay, we got it already. Okay, the Summoner's Tiger carries over. But holy 12 o'clock counter, man. Holy 12 o'clock counter. Alright. Okay, I did the most at least, man. Crew, PoV crew. But yeah. Tiger counter gun and I should buy the box.